With 500k to 1 million, these 5 businesses can put you ahead of 80% of Nigerians. Many people believe you need tens of millions of naira before you could build real wealth, but that is not true. If you have between 500k and 1 million, and you are willing to think like a business owner instead of just a spender, you are already in the position that millions of Nigerians will they will earn. But before that, let me ask you this question. Are you willing to invest that kind of money wisely, or will you watch it disappear without changing your life? The answer lies on if you will stay and learn from this video. Today, I will show you 5 businesses that can turn 500k to 1 million into a steady income system. Please, this is not a get-rich-quick schemes. These are businesses solving real problems every single day. Let's get started. Number 1, build a structured provision store. I'm not talking about ordinary buying and selling. This is about becoming the shop everyone in your neighborhood depends on. With 500k to 1 million, you can stock fast-moving products like noodles, beverages, toiletries, bread, and household essentials. Why does this business work so well? It is because people buy these products every day. Whether the economy is good or bad, families still need to eat, bath, and take care of their homes. You don't need expensive advertising. You need the right location, good customer service, and products people always need. The real money doesn't come from making huge profit on one item. It comes from selling hundreds of items every day to loyal customers. Here is an extra strategy. In that business, you can add a POS service. Now, your shop earns money from product sale and cash transactions. One location, 2 income streams. Number 2, start a logistics and dispatch business. Recently, online businesses are growing across Nigeria and Africa. But every online seller has one major problem: getting products to customers quickly. That's where you come in. With 600k to 1 million naira, you can buy your first delivery bike or partner with reliable riders while focusing on building your brand. Each delivery might earn between 1,000 and 5,000 naira. That may not sound like much, but imagine completing multiple deliveries every day. Now, imagine adding more riders. Your income grows even when you aren't the one making deliveries. The goal isn't to own one bike forever. The goal is to build the delivery company everyone in your area recommends. Number 3, build a food brand, not just a food business. Many people know how to cook. Very few know how to build a brand. If you have between 500k to 1 million naira, invest in a clean kitchen, quality equipment, attractive packaging, and a professional image. Don't try to sell everything. Become known for one thing. Maybe delicious rice and a protein meals. Maybe grilled chicken. Maybe shawarma. Maybe local dishes that customers keep coming back for. Consistency creates loyal customers. Loyal customers create daily income. As your reputation grows, you can start supplying the food to offices, schools, and corporate events. Large catering contracts often bring in more profit than selling individual plate of food. Number 4, supply building materials. This is one of Nigeria's most overlooked businesses. Construction never really stops. People are always building homes, innovating properties, or starting new projects. With 700k to 1 million, you can begin supplying products like cement, DOP materials, and other building supplies. Your biggest advantage isn't having the cheapest price, it's being reliable. Contractors love suppliers who delivers on time and keep their promises. Build relationships with site engineers, builders, and developers. When they trust you, they keep coming back. And repeat customers are the foundation of every successful business. Number 5, become a producer instead of just a trader. This is where many entrepreneurs level up. Instead of buying products to resell, you create products that other businesses buy from you. You could produce sachet water. You could start a small bakery. You could manufacture tissue paper. With 800k to 1 million naira, you can begin on a small scale and grow gradually. The biggest advantage is you are supplying retailers instead of chasing individual customers every day. As demand increases, you expand production. Then you build your own brand. Eventually, you become a distributor, not just a producer. That's how businesses grow into companies. Now you know the truth most people don't want to hear. That 1 million is enough to change your financial future, but it is also enough to disappear completely. Money alone doesn't create wealth. Strategy does. Many people fail because they copy someone else's business without understanding the market. Some spend too much before making their first sale. Others never learn how to manage cash flow. Understand that business rewards preparation, discipline, and consistency. The winning formula is simple. If I had 1 million naira today, I wouldn't put everything into one risky idea. I would build one stable cash flow business like provision store, food business, or logistics company. Then I'll use the profit to invest in a scalable business like manufacturing or supplying building materials. That's how businesses grow. That's how wealth compounds. That's how 1 million becomes 5 million naira. Then 5 million naira becomes 20 million naira. Remember this. If 1 million enters your account today and you are still struggling 1 year from now, don't blame the economy first. Ask yourself whether you had the right strategy. Because money follows structures, and structure creates wealth. If you find this video valuable, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Because every week, I share practical business ideas, money strategies, and well-building lessons designed for Africans who want more than just surviving. Your financial future starts with one smart decision. Make yours today. See you on my next video.